This is a tutorial on our binder organization process and what you should see in your child's planner. Most of our binders are at least 3 inches. This binder happens to have the child's schedule on it just in case they forget as the day goes on. The first thing you should see when you open a binder is their pencil pouch. In the pencil pouch they need to have pens, pencils, erasers, a pencil sharpener or lead if appropriate. They need to have a ruler, scissors, and at least 1 or 2 highlighters, along with a calculator or anything else that they may need for their classes throughout the day. The next thing that you should see is their planner, which we will come back to in just a minute. Notice that this binder happens to have a multitude of dividers. We ask that all students have a minimum of 6 dividers, 1 for each class, so that you can go to each class and see that they have their assignments organized per class. Notice in this binder that everything has a place. Everything that we give students is 3-hole punched, so there are no loose papers anywhere. Everything is organized, their notes are organized, their assignments are organized, and if they get tests back, the tests are also organized within their subject area. Every day, students, when they come into class, the first thing that they are asked to do is to, in their planner, write down what their homework will be for the day and to write down what their assignments are. Every planner has a homework section and a learning target section. The purpose for writing in their planner every day is to write down what their target is for their learning, so you as a parent are aware, and for them to look at what is their homework. So they write their assignment down and what needs to happen. This is very important for students because after a long, busy day, oftentimes you forget what it is that you are supposed to do. So being able to go back and look and see what they're doing and what they need to be looking at for homework is very, very valuable, both for the student and for the parent. Notice that you will sometimes see stamps because oftentimes teachers will have stamping time to make sure that students are writing what they're supposed to have in their binders. Oftentimes, you will see a student have a full calendar. So they'll have their full calendar at a glance, so they can write down important dates like when tests are due or when they're going to have a lab or when they're going on a field trip. So the purpose of this is twofold: for students as a reminder of what they're doing during the day and as communication with parents of what's going on, so you as a parent can help them, provide them a study area and know what they're working on.